Welcome, dear listeners. Today we delve into a biblical verse that has stirred up numerous discussions. Matthew chapter 10, verse 34 states, "Do not suppose that I have come to bring peace to the earth. I did not come to bring peace, but a sword." This scripture, found nestled within the pages of the New Testament, sparks curiosity and controversy alike. It's a passage that's often quoted, sometimes misunderstood, but always intriguing. Now you may wonder why such a verse holds significance. Why does it stand out in the grand narrative of the Bible? And more importantly, what does it truly mean? Well, these are the questions we'll be exploring today. This verse, as simple as it may seem, holds deep layers of meaning that require careful analysis. So, stay with us as we unpack this powerful scripture, journeying together through layers of history, interpretation, and personal reflection. Now let's break down this verse. "Do not suppose that I have come to bring peace to the earth. I did not come to bring peace, but a sword." This certainly sounds alarming at first, doesn't it? But let's remember, the Bible often uses powerful imagery to convey deeper truths. In this context, the sword isn't about literal violence. It's a metaphorical sword, symbolizing the potential division and conflict that can arise when one chooses to follow the teachings of Christ. You see, following Christ's teachings often means going against the prevailing norms of society, which can lead to disagreement or even conflict with those around us. This verse is not about advocating aggression, but rather, it's an acknowledgement of the challenges that can come with living out one's faith. Understanding this, we see that the verse is not about promoting conflict, but acknowledging the reality of divisions that may arise from one's faith. Despite its metaphorical nature, this verse has been a point of controversy. Misinterpretations abound, with some taking the words of Jesus literally, believing it to be a call for violent conflict. Others, however, have used it out of context to justify acts of aggression. It's crucial to remember the broader message of peace and love that pervades the teachings of Jesus. As we navigate the complexities of 21st century life, the verse holds undeniable relevance. In an era where faith can still lead to divisions within families, communities, and even nations, it serves as a stark reminder of the personal struggles one may face on their journey of faith. This verse isn't about promoting discord. Rather, it speaks to the internal conflict that can arise when one's beliefs challenge societal norms or familial expectations. Matthew 10:34, therefore, is not a call to arms, but an affirmation of the personal struggles one may face in their journey of faith. In conclusion, Matthew 10:34 is a verse that invites us to reflect on our own faith and the challenges it may present. This scripture, often seen as controversial, underscores the essence of spiritual commitment and the potential friction it may cause. Its relevance in today's world calls us to consider how we navigate our faith in the face of societal pressures and expectations. In our journey through this verse, we've explored its interpretation, the controversy surrounding it, and its impact on our contemporary lives. Your thoughts and interpretations are valuable, so feel free to share them. Every perspective adds a unique layer to our understanding of scriptures. Thank you for joining us on this discussion. If you found it insightful, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more. Be sure to check out the other videos in our series. They offer more insights into various chapters and verses of the Bible. May God bless you and your family.